Hi there, welcome back. So in the last few vlogs, we've been talking about task management in Office 365, especially we're looking at Microsoft Planner. So in this video, I wanted to cover how you could actually collaborate with your team members, with your colleagues on tasks, all right? So without any further ado, let's jump in and have a look at what's the state of task collaboration in Microsoft Planner. So this video, I'm going to actually break it down into two parts because I'm going to give you, in part two, I'm going to give you some tips or workarounds on how you could actually, enhance your collaboration a bit. Anyway, let's jump in and have a look. Okay, so here we are on a plan called Event Plan. So essentially you get the idea. We're just planning an event here in this using the Microsoft Planner, and you can see there's few boards available, all right? So how do I collaborate with other people? Within you can see from here there's 18 members allocated in this team within the planner itself. So I can actually go and collaborate with 18 with the team members here, right? So let me open up a task, and here you can actually say, okay. One thing though is you can actually assign multiple people. It's not you can't just assign. It's not just you can assign to only single person. You can assign to multiple people. All right. Let me go ahead and actually assign this task to Adel, Alex, Christy, Diego. Yeah. So now once we've assigned, you can actually see all the people that are assigned to this task, and they actually get an email notification anyway that's saying that they've got it assigned to this particular task. All right, so now I'm going to start working on it. I'm going to make it in progress and leave a comment. Okay, this is with the thing is, one of the main drawbacks here is I can't actually use @mentions, right? So there's no way that adult will get a notification stating that a new comment has been assigned, a new comment has been raised in this particular task. So it's a big drawback, and a lot of people are actually asking for this. Last time when I checked, there's almost close to 2,000 upvotes on the user voice for the planner within the planner user voice for this particular feature as well. Essentially, in order to increase your enhance your collaboration, I would essentially get this when I do a mention somebody in the comments, I want them to get a notification in Microsoft Teams if there's an associated Microsoft team associated with this. If not, maybe they get a notification on their planner app. Anyway, that's lacking at the moment, so you can't really use the symbol, but let me show you a quick workaround that. So now what you can do though is just to get to the conversation itself, what you need to do is close the task, go into the conversation pane. What it does is it actually brings all the comments that you make on a task get recorded within the conversations in Microsoft Outlook. Here you can actually see that it says that the comment that I left is actually within the conversations tab within the Office 365 group. Here I can actually go and reply to this task. So I can just say reply all, and here I can actually say, hey, actually I'm gonna just do it for myself, Megan, just for demo purposes, and just say yes, that's it. Megan Brown, how are you going with this task? So essentially you can either elect to reply within the Microsoft Planner itself, but here if I actually use the Outlook itself, you can use the Outlook @mentions and say send. So now the idea is, because I've got mentioned in this, I should get a notification shortly in my inbox. There you go. This is just a quick workaround on how you could actually say, there you go, you got an email just for yourself without for you to actually going into the actual group conversations itself. That's a quick and by the way, this particular comment that you made on that in Outlook gets recorded in here as well, and you can see the @mention in here as well. If you hover on the @mention, you can actually see below that it's actually a mail to link to Megan. All right, it's not a link to the user profile. So this is a quick turnaround workaround for you to actually start notifying people within the comments as well. Use the Office 365 group conversations for the comments. Once you raise the first comment, then for the later comments, you can use the conversations inside O365 groups. All right, that's a quick workaround on how to enhance task collaboration in Microsoft Planner. In the next vlog, we'll talk about how you could actually collaborate on a task within Microsoft Teams as well. All right, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Cheers.